In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase microphone volume here within Windows 11. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're having trouble hearing you in calls or recordings, here's how you can actually boost your mic volume. Begin by right-clicking on the sound icon down in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and open up the sound settings. Alternatively, you could just go to your settings and then system and then sound. From here, go ahead and access more sound settings by scrolling down until you see the more sound settings option. It should be in this advanced tab right here. Select it and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and navigate to the recording tab right here and then select your microphone, whatever one you're currently using. Right click on it and select properties and it's going to pull up yet another page that looks like this. Just go ahead and navigate to the levels tab and move this level slider up. I'm not going to do it right now just because I'm currently recording with this mic. But if available, there is an option for microphone boost. Go ahead and use that slider to increase gain even more. Simply go ahead and hit apply and then OK. And that's method number one. Now, if you want even more control, go ahead and open up a browser of your choice and go ahead and navigate to equalizerapo.com and download Equalizer APO. This is essentially just a program that you can use that'll give you even more control over your microphone. There's a section on here for preamplification and it's going to raise the gain even more. But this is another free program if you are still having issues. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.